Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about 5 phrases that you can use in your business life. Let's start with to schedule a call. This phrase means to pick a time and date to have a phone conversation or a video meeting with someone. Let's say you want to have a business meeting with a person. You can call your assistant and say, "Can you schedule a call with Mr. Brown on Wednesday, please?" Next up, we have to set a meeting. It can mean having a meeting with someone through a phone or video call, just like to schedule a call, but it also means having a meeting with someone face-to-face. So you can use it in a sentence like, "I want to set a meeting with them at Hotel A." Don't quit now, we have just started. Our third expression will be to make a profit. This means you earn more money than you spend. You can hear it in a sentence such as, "We will make a profit of $1,000. Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. You can click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson with our teachers so that you can try it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue with the lesson. The fourth one we have is to close a deal. It is like making a promise and then making it official. If you come to an agreement with a business one day, you might say, "We closed the deal with an agreement." And the last phrase for today is to launch a product. It means to make a new item and officially announce it. I'm sure you have heard something like, "Brand A launched this new product last month." Let's remember what we learned today. To schedule a call. Arranging a phone or video call with someone. To set a meeting. Arranging a phone or a video call, but also setting a face-to-face meeting. To make a profit. Earning more than what you spend. To close a deal, making a deal and making it official. To launch a product. Officially serving a new product to the market. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe and click the bell button. Also, don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!